Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to open PowerShell in Windows. So let's get started. So firstly, method 1, open PowerShell from start menu. Here you will type PowerShell. Here you will see Windows PowerShell. Click on it. That's it, PowerShell will open instantly. To run as administrator, again in start menu, here you will type PowerShell. Here you will see run as administrator. Click on it. Prompt will become, click on yes, and window will be run as administrator. Method 2, using the run command, you can type Windows plus R to open run. Here you will type PowerShell, then press enter. Instantly Windows PowerShell will be open. Method 3, open PowerShell from the Linux menu. Right click on the taskbar, right click on the start menu. You can simply press Windows plus X to enable. Here you will search for Windows Terminal or Terminal. Click on Terminal. Instantly Windows PowerShell will be opened. Open PowerShell from File Explorer. Method 4. Firstly open File Explorer. Here you will search for PowerShell, then press enter. That's it. Windows PowerShell will be opened. That's it. How you open PowerShell in Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.